In this video, we are continuing with the cone. He's saying that an iron pillar consists of a cylindrical portion which is 2.8 meter high. So let's make a cylindrical portion like this. And he's saying that this cylindrical portion is 2.8 meter high. Okay. And 20 centimeter in diameter. That means the radius of this will be 10 centimeters, right, in diameter, and cone 42 centimeter high surmounting it. Surmounting means it's just placed above it. So the height of that cone is given 42 centimeters. Fine. Find the weight of the pillar given that 1 centimeter cube of iron weighs 7.5 grams. Does that mean we have to find the volume of this entire pillar and then multiply that by 7.5 grams to get the weight of the entire iron pillar? Right? Now, how do I find the volume of this? It's made up of two figures, cylinder and cone. So I will write the total volume of this will be volume of the cylinder, which is equal to pi r square and h, right, plus volume of this cone, that is 1 by 3 pi. R will be same. Radius is same for base radius of cone and the radius of the cylinder are same. So r square, but height will be different. So let me denote the height of the cone by small h, right? So volume will be, I can take pi r square common. So I will get this capital H plus h upon 3 here. Now, do I have the values for everything? Okay, you have to check for the value of pi. Is it 3.14? No, it is not. So, I will write 22 by 7. Now, r is same in both the cases. So, 10 into 10. Now, what is the height of this? This is 2.8. Now, this is meters, right? Here, your height of, capital H is 2.8 meters. Rest everything is given in centimeters. So I can convert this into centimeters by multiplying this by 100. So it will be 280 centimeters. So I will use 280 centimeters here plus what is my H? This is 42 upon 3. So this becomes 22 by 7 into 100. 280 plus 3 ones are 3 fours are 14. So 22 by 7 into 100 into, this is 4, this is 9 and this is 2. So 7 fours are 28, 1, 7 twos are 14. So finally my volume is 2200 into 42. Now I have to calculate the weight. So weight of the entire pillar will be volume of this figure into weight per centimeter cube, that is 7.5 grams, right? So that is equal to 2200 into 42 into 75 upon 10. This and this will go. So this is equal to 9240 into 75, which is equal to 693,000 grams, or you can simply say that weight is equal to 693 kilograms, right? Okay.